This video covers the installation of an Eco battery in the Club Car DS. This installation will cover both 36-volt and 48-volt DS models. Before starting your installation, ensure the key switch is turned off and set the park brake on. If your cart has a tow run switch, put it in tow mode. Remove the seat. Identify and label any 12-volt wiring. If you haven't already, remove all old batteries. Remove charge port bezel. Identify and label reed/interlock. Identify and label battery positive and negative. Install the Eco battery charge port. Place battery into desired location. Mark your holes. Drill holes. Using provided hardware, mount your battery in place. This clip shows the installation of the 51-volt, 105 amp-hour through-hole battery in a DS A-frame cart utilizing the A8421 mounting kit. The process is the same for a DSH frame cart utilizing the A8423 mounting kit. Place the bracket in the tray with the center hole offset to the rear. Install the center rod in the bracket. The bracket needs to be offset to one side for the battery to fit. Temporarily install the battery on the bracket to ensure proper bracket position. Adjust the bracket as necessary. Remove the battery. Mark and drill the 4 mounting holes. Install the mounting hardware. Install the battery. Install the top plate and hardware. Torque top nut to 10 foot-pounds. If using our optional mounting plate, set into position, mark and drill holes. Install EB charger. Connect the charger locking quick connect to the charge port. Locate a spot to mount your 12-volt reducer. Mount your 12-volt reducer. Make your 12-volt reducer connection. Locate COM ports 1 and 2. COM port 1 will be your wake-up button. COM port 2 will be the EB gauge. Install wake-up button. Install gauge cable. Feed wake-up button and gauge cables through the bottom of your cart. Remove dash panel. Feed the remote wake-up button and meter harness up to the dash. Gauge cable. DC to DC trigger wire. Remote wake-up button. Using a 5/8 drill bit, drill a hole in desired mounting spot. Remove ring from wake-up button. Install wake-up button. Tighten the ring to secure the wake-up button. Make the wake-up button connection. Tidy dash wires. Remove key switch output wire. Locate the 12-volt reducer trigger wire and modify the wire as shown. Reattach both wires. Reinstall dash panel, ensuring the meter cable is still coming out of the dash. Locate a place to mount your meter. It can be put anywhere on the dash, or you can use our optional steering column mount. Connect meter cables. Locate 12-volt accessories in 12-volt reducer wires. Tidy all connections. Connect the yellow 16 gauge wire to the battery positive terminal. Connect the black 16 gauge wire to the battery negative terminal. Locate your main positive, charger positive, and 12-volt reducer. Stack in order from highest load to lowest load. Locate your main negative, charger negative, and 12-volt reducer. Stack in order from highest load to lowest load. Torque to 8 foot-pounds or 96 inch-pounds. Install terminal covers. Connect charger can to battery meter cable. Tidy all connections. Your installation is now complete. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our support team. Thank you for supporting EcoBattery.